Good morning, everyone. We are Group 10. I'm Pei, so this is our group member. Today, we are going to present our current issue. The current issue that we have chosen is the accounting firm and its partner fined for audit breaches. So let me briefly discuss about this case. Ong and Wong Chartered Accountant, as well as auditor Ong Kun Liang, Ong Kong Lai, and Wong Chang Miu are prohibited from accepting and auditing any public interest entities for a 12-month period starting September 2022. This is due to Ong and Wong Chartered Accountant and the three audit partners were found to have failed to comply with the relevant international standard on auditing, which is ISA, and International Standard of Quality Control, ISQC, when auditing two public interest entity clients. There are numerous audit deficiencies found in the engagement review of the two public entities clients. They were led by Kui Liang and Kong Lai respectively as the engagement partner. So subsequently, the Audit Oversight Board imposed fine on the Ong and Wong, as well as the three auditors. This is briefly what happened in this case. So now I would like to pass to the next presenter.
So thank you, Pei. Good morning, everyone. I'm Chok Singmei with matter number 212634. I would like to share about the breach and the relevant law involved. The law involved in this case is Section 2662, subsection 2A. The financial statements are, in his opinion, should be properly drawn up in accordance with the applicable approved accounting standards. And another one is Section 266, subsection 3. Auditor have a duty to form an opinion whether he has obtained all the information and explanation that he requires. The company has kept the proper accounting and other records as required by Company Act. And lastly, state in his opinion report the particulars of any deficiency, failure, or shortcoming in respect of any matter referred to this subsection. So I will pass to the next presenter.
I will be the next presenter. I'm Yu Chinese with metric number 210941. And now I will explain what are the law that being breached and why the person was charged. The audit team breached their duties in accordance with international standards on auditing and international standard of quality control when auditing two public interest entities. They did not obtain sufficient and appropriate audit evidence, as well as complete the audit documentation to support the conclusions they made in the audit report. And also, they failed to sufficiently review the selected documentation relating to significant judgments and risk areas of the engagement and also the basis of conclusions. Now I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, thank you, Chinese, and I will continue presenting the following part. So what auditor supposed to do to prevent these charges against him? An auditor should abide by the laws and regulation in Malaysia, such as complying with international standard on auditing known as ISA and international standard of quality control known as ISQC. Next slide. The sanction given was in accordance with Section 266 Powers and Duties of Auditor under subsection 13 of Company Act. So the accounting firm was fined with 227,000 ringgit Malaysia, while two Ongs have to pay 35,000 ringgit each, and the Wong has to pay 34,000 ringgit Malaysia. Then I will pass it to the next presenter to present the following part. Thank you.
Thank you, Yingro. Now I would like to talk about what a young auditor could learn from this case. First of all, a young auditor should follow the laws and regulations in Malaysia by applying International Standard on Auditing, ISA, and International Standard of Quality Control, ISQC, in the engagement review of companies. In this case, the reliability of documents and the audit team's control over trade receivable confirmation were in contravention of the ISA. To avoid this, young auditors should apply ISA and ISQC in their audit work. In accordance with Section 266, subsection 3 of the Company Act 2016, young auditors should also obtain all the information and explanation that are required to reduce the audit deficiency. Auditors should also obtain sufficient and appropriate audit evidence and complete audit documentation to support the conclusion needs. That's all from us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Good presentation and good information. Any question from the floor?